Today on the channel we have this Stage 2 from Laird Performance Fiesta ST. So, as previously stated, this is a Stage 2 car. So, what have you done to actually achieve that sort of power? What kind of power mods do you have?
So I've got a Laird Stage 2 tune on it. To have that, I needed to put on Scorpion 3-inch cat pack exhaust, ITG cold air intake, ram air crossover turbo intake pipe. Got a Stage 3 AirTech intercooler.
Good, those are very good intercoolers for these cars, very highly uprated.
Uprated hot side boost pipe.
So you said you got a Scorpion exhaust in that. That's a full 3-inch from the turbo?
Yes, it is.
Nice, that includes the downpipe.
It does.
So, of course, power is nothing without handling. So what kind of stuff has been done to improve the handling of this car?
So I've got ABAC Pro 30mm lowering springs along with an AirTech Motorsport short shifter. Stopping power, so I've got the rear brakes are standard at the moment, but on the front I've got EBC Blue Stuff pads along with J-Hook Godspeed discs.
Very nice. So how about you take me out for a drive in it?
No problem, let's go.
You can definitely hear that turbo smart blow-off valve you have.
Yes, I forgot to mention that earlier. The turbo smart blow-off valve is nice, gives a nice flutter.
It's that dual port, right, so you can adjust it?
100%, yeah.
So some things we didn't touch on, some of the visual stuff.
So I've got eyelids on the headlights with white pinstripe along with black sun strip with pinstripe. I've got Maxton Design rear spoiler extensions.
So I noticed you don't have an ST badge on the back.
I don't know, I've changed the front and rear Ford badges and the ST badge for white ones, and I've also debadged the rear. I've also got footwell lighting, which I could change to any colour I like. I just think that sets a nice vibe in the car.
I realised you have wrapped your lower part.
Yes, I have. I've wrapped the front lip gloss black. It just makes the front end look a bit meaner.
On the mirrors, I noticed your sequential indicators.
Yes, I've got sequential indicators on the mirrors. Gloss black again. I just think they look so much better than the standard indicators. I've also got a short stubby aerial, which it's nothing, but it looks a little better.
I've got my M140i now, but seriously, the handling, you just can't beat the way this drives and handles, can you?
No, definitely not.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this feature video. I really do appreciate it. If you could like, comment on what you'd like to see next, and of course, subscribe to see future content. Also, check out the website, mentallyWasted.com.